a friend referred me to Bigdawg Mattress. I guess it's Sleepdog, but I got the Bigdawg, and it just came in. Doesn't look so big. Might be once I unfold it and take that plastic off of there, but he referred it. So we'll check it out. It just came in today. We're about to put it in a truck and let it do its thing, and we'll give it a shot. Better, sleep better, drive safer. It says DOT approved, but I didn't know DOT regulated mattresses, but okay. What if I got to... Yeah, we'll save that. So we'll keep you updated and do a review once we've had it in the truck for a minute. So what's up? It's been a while. Needed a new mattress for the truck, so I ordered one. A friend referred me to Sleepdog Mattress, and they had different options. You know, they had Sleepdog, the Bigdawg, Queen. They got RV mattresses, truck mattresses. Recommended the Bigdawg because it's softer on one side, firmer on the other. Now, I had a purple mattress, and that thing was amazing. It was the best sleep I'd ever gotten. I really wanted to get another purple, but the price was just, it was too much. But I really loved the purple mattress. It was great. I slept better than I've ever slept in my life. But I couldn't justify the money they wanted for it. So my buddy had turned me on to the Sleepdog. He said, I've got the Bigdawg, and I sleep great on it. And he had a buddy, I guess, that has it as well, and used to have a purple, said he did better on it, or he slept better on it than he did the purple. So figured I'd take a shot. Sent me one, ordered mattress. They got here. Got here today, so we're gonna put it in the truck. We just unboxed it. As you've seen, we just threw it in the truck. Now we're gonna take the plastic off and let it do its thing. And we're gonna see how it does. And we'll review it here in about a week or so after I've slept on it for about a week. In the meantime, let's get after it. All right, here we go. So what's been going on, everybody? Hope y'all been doing well. Said to cut the outer plastic, so let's see if we can do that without cutting the mattress. Okay, there's another. It's wrapped in plastic inside this outer plastic, so I mean, still don't want to cut that just yet, but makes it a little easier for sure. Sorry about the audio. I don't have the mic hooked up, so I don't know how the audio is coming in. Well, that didn't work out as expected. I wasn't expecting the outer plastic to be intertwined with the inner plastic. And I don't know which side is which. Well, it said it's an 80-inch mattress, and the bunk tray is 80 inches, but there seems to be a gap. But maybe it'll fill in the gaps once I take this plastic off and it does its thing. It's got to sit for 24 hours and expand and all that good stuff. So we're gonna cut this plastic off and then let it sit, see if it fills in the gaps and all that good stuff, and we'll go from there. We'll check back in with you later. Oh, it's springing up quicker than I thought it was going to. It's already coming out. Coming up. How's the view back there? There it is, Sleepdog mattress. I don't know if it's fully expanded, but it expanded up pretty quick when I took it out of the plastic. And so the gaps here where I was concerned with are no longer there. And it fits that tray. You know, of course you got the buckles here and here that's gonna push in on it a little bit, but so far it looks pretty good. I didn't expect it to expand that quick, but it seems to still be expanding. So we've got it in, as you can see, back wherever the camera is, back there, there it is, right there. Sleepdog mattress. This is the Bigdawg. It's supposed to be 9 inches thick. Pillow top on one side, supposed to be a little softer. Flip it over if you want a firmer mattress. I believe it's considered a medium firm, but don't quote me on that because I'm not positive. But I'll put a link to them right below this video. But we've got it in. Gonna let it do its thing and finish forming, finish expanding and all that good stuff. And then we'll do a follow-up video this week and see how it goes. See how it sleeps. Too soft, too hard, just right. We'll figure it out. In the meantime, thanks for chucking with T-Bone, and we will see you guys soon.